Hello guys, good morning. Yan. Breakfast. Mm Oatmeal with banana. Tapos Great Taste Choco. Actually, talagang hindi healthy ang Great Taste Choco. Parang takam lang talaga. Kaya yun. Walang choice. Pwede naman sa labati kaso iba kasi Great Taste Choco. Lakas maka-attract ng sugar eh. By the way, ingat sa mga mag-work. Then, God bless. Don't forget to pray. Yan. Para, for our safety. Need natin yan. Safety. Coming from God. Alam mo na, mabait ang Diyos eh. Kahit anong sama ng isang tao, pinapatawad niya eh. Kaya, yun. Huwag natin abusuhin. Always keep on praying. Humingi ng tawad. Sana wag na ulit-ulitin, diba?